Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to save WPS Office document as Word document. If you want to do it first, I recommend you to go to the left upper corner and then you need to click on File tab. Now you need to go to Options, we need to select this one option and then this window should be displayed here. On default we are in the View tab. So now we need to go to General and Save Settings, and here you need to change save files in this format. We need to click on this one list and you need to set here which Word format you want to use. Of course, everything depends on the version you use. How you see, we have here different Word formats, but normally I recommend you to use docx formats or doc. Everything depends on your preferences. So I select here Word documents with .docx format and I click OK button. Now if I would like to save this document, I need to go to File, I need to go to Save As, and now you need to select the location where you want to save your file. So for example, I will save it in this folder. Now we need to type here a file name, so I have here simple.docx. Let's check if you have the same extension here. And the file type, of course, we can select Word documents. It is very important to select here Word documents with .docx extension, so I click on it and then I click Save button. And how you see, my file has been successfully saved in Word format. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.